Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of calories burned on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the glances on our watch. To do it, press the down button on the homepage, the current watch face. It will open the menu of glances, basically widgets, and you can scroll through this list and look for the calories. If you're missing calories, because by default I don't think the calories will be here, so you will need to press and hold the middle button, find the option called Add Glance, tap on it, and then look for the calories. Once you find them, you can tap on them or press the Start button, and the calories will be added to your glances. And now we have the glance and we have the basically view on how many calories we burn during the day. You can also tap on calories and we have more detailed information right here. And if you want to see even more detailed information and your watch is paired with a phone, you can check that information in the Garmin Connect application. So if we move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, you will need to open the Connect application. Once you open it, you will see the home page. Now tap on More, I believe Health Stats, Calories, and here you should see the details about the calories. And we have daily, 7 days, 4 weeks, and yearly progression. And you can check a lot of stuff here in the app. And once you're done, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.